First, we will put around 3 cups of water to boil and then add our turmeric soup base into the water. Then followed by the fish sauce and the sugar. And then again bring it to boil. Then we will steamer the catfish steaks into the soup base. Don't overcook everything, and that's why we leave it at low heat. Stir them, but make sure don't break the fish and the tofu pieces apart. Then we will add the pineapple and the chili pepper, followed by the tomato. Add a little bit of Vietnamese soy sauce. When it's bubbling, it's almost ready. We can just add the garlic chives and the green sprout into the soup. Then we can turn off the heat and add the cilantro leaves into the soup. And the soup is ready.